Tapos na ba kung hindi ka pinansin? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkape't padasal. Have you ever felt betrayed or rejected by the very people who you expected to support you the most? The gospel story of Jesus returning to his hometown is a powerful reminder that rejection from those who know you best doesn't invalidate your purpose. When the people of his own community rejected his teachings, Jesus didn't let their disapproval derail him. Instead of dwelling on the pain, he simply moved on to continue his mission elsewhere, bringing his message to new towns and receptive hearts. This teaches us not to let the disapproval or lack of support from others stop us from pursuing our calling. Just like Jesus, your purpose is not dependent on the approval of a select few, especially those who may be too familiar with your past to see your future. The path to your calling may require you to move beyond old relationships and expectations, seeking new communities that will welcome and support your unique gifts. So, take heart in Jesus' example. If you face rejection, don't give up. Simply move forward and continue the work you are meant to do. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng lakas ng loob na lampasan ang pagtanggi at patuloy na tahakin ang landas na itinakda mo para sa akin. Amen.